Hey, it's Brett Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our mulch installation service, what it is, what it includes, and how it benefits your property. First of all, we use a 100% chipped hardwood dyed mulch, and this is different than the rest of the mulch you're going to see around town, or at least the vast majority of it, because what you're used to seeing is actually a blend of hard and softwood mulches, or woods rather, that have been ground up. And what this does is, well, first of all, softwoods just decompose faster, so they're going to lose their color faster, they're going to decompose and just not last as long. And the fact that they're ground versus chipped means that a lot of times they're just pulverized into dust, and a lot of the material that you're paying for will just basically just turn into dirt in a matter of a few weeks. Our chipped mulch, it's all hardwood. It'll last a lot longer because it is all hardwood, which means it'll retain its dye. And the fact that it's chipped means you get a lot more consistent sized pieces which don't decompose nearly as fast. So we will come out, we will install it in all your mulch beds or wherever you want us to. It really freshens up your beds and makes your property look great. And then after we're done, we make sure that we clean up and make your property look as fresh as it can be. It'll really make your landscape beds pop, and you'll really like the look of it.